Good morning, it's the 28th of July 2010 and this is your daily outlook. US dollar traders were kept on their toes with resistance met on multiple asset classes and some sharp falls in commodities. July consumer confidence forecast fell 3 points to 50.4, but May house prices increased 0.5% month on month. The euro rally continued in Europe but ran out of steam later in the day as oil losses mounted and stocks failed to extend gains. The euro dollar closed at 1.30 with the market trading in a tight range so far this week. Euro yen did well, but euro sterling fell backwards towards 0.83. Euro dollar traded with a low of 129.51 and a high of 130.47 before closing at 129.90. The sterling failed above 155 on its first attempt, but broke higher later in the day on good euro sterling selling and sterling yen buying. Sterling yen then broke to multiple month highs above 136 and is targeting 140 in the short term. Overall, the sterling dollar traded with a low of 154.41 and a high of 156.02 before closing the day at 155.80 in the New York session. The Australian dollar was strong, holding above 0.90 the whole day and testing resistance towards 0.9080 in the US session. Aussie yen buying was the major catalyst, but the market is eagerly awaiting today's CPI figures before pushing higher still. Overall, the Aussie dollar traded with a low of 0.8998 and a high of 0.9071 before closing the US session at 0.9020. Looking at oil and gold, gold pulled back as demand subsided given the multiple failures at 1,200. Overall, the trading with a low of 1,187 and a high of 1,157 before ending the New York session 1,164 an ounce. Oil slid towards $77 with the drop in US consumer confidence. WTI oil closed down 0.30 cents at 78.80 a barrel. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and sterling dollar. The euro dollar pivot point is at 129.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.55. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 155.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 155.40. Today's calendar and market movers: we have GBP Bank of England Governor Mervyn King's speech. We have the dollar core durable goods order month on month expected at 0.9%, and we have dollar crude oil inventories expected at minus 1.4 million barrels. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed mixed yesterday with the SP 500 closing down 0.10% and the Dow was up 0.12%. European bourses were positive with the FTSE closing up 0.27%, the DAX was up 0.21% and the CAC closed up 0.83%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 2.70% and the Hang Seng was up 0.52%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the easy-forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.